Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Be a Thai Girl. Do you see the background where I'm at? I'm right now at the temple which is called Rachmon Temple. This temple located in the old city of Chiang Mai. Let me show you guys how this temple looks. I'm pretty sure that you guys will love it. Even me, I was driving past and I was like, look at it 1 second. Let me stop at this temple and take a quick look. I went inside the temple and it made me stop and I had to film the video at this temple. So before I get into my content, let me show you guys around how this temple looks. I'm standing on the top of the temple next to the big giant Buddha, which, you know, Thai people, we really worship this type of Buddha. It's called Phra Chao Tan Chai. That means Buddha Tan Chai. That's the name of the Buddha. So let me show you guys around. It's beautiful, isn't it? And look at the sky today, you guys. Let me go on the top so you guys can see how big this Buddha is. Look at him. And if you turn this way, you guys gonna see, oh, that's a red bus. Look, I think it's very beautiful. I'm so happy that I stopped at this temple and make a video at this temple. Let me show you guys the main building of this temple. I'm not sure if you guys can see or not because of the light. But I'll try my best to get the best possible light for you guys to see. Beautiful, right? Wow. Look at this dragon. Whoa, look at its eyes. So big. Another dragon right here. This is another side of the temple. So you guys can see the road, right? After showing you guys a very beautiful temple that I stopped to make a video, in this video I want to talk about the camera that I just got, which is, let me show you guys. Ta-da! You guys can see or no? This camera is an action camera. It's called Insta360 camera. So this is the case camera. They say this camera is very tiny. Let me open up and show you guys how tiny it is. There you go. See, you guys? This camera, it's in the case, right? And the actual camera, let me just pull it out. The actual camera is this tiny. Look. You guys see how tiny this camera is? It's very tiny, right? I've never used it before. So I'm so excited today that I want to use and try this camera out to see how good the camera can perform. So right now I'm recording using my GoPro, right? But I'm gonna switch to record with this camera and see how well it can perform. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm using the Insta360 Go 2 to film. Let's go walk around and film the whole temple. I've pretty much show you guys the whole building. So I don't know, I have to go back and see how the quality will look like. I was just driving to find a place to film for you guys, but I had to stop at this temple because it just gripped my eyes, you guys. And for any of you guys who haven't seen my videos about temple hunt in the old city of Chiang Mai, you guys can go check it out in the end of this video. In that video, it's about me riding my motorbike through the old city of Chiang Mai, hunting for temples. In the old city of Chiang Mai, Thailand, there's a lot of like small soy in Thailand means like small streets, small alleys, right? And I couldn't go through every single small soy and alley. I did my best. Yeah, and pretty much I found like almost 30 temples in the old city. Right now, Thailand, it's going to reopen the country from November 1st, and whoever that comes to Thailand, you don't have to quarantine yourself for 14 days. As long as you can show the proof of vaccination, then you're free to go anywhere in Thailand without quarantine, which is really good, you know. Before, any tourists who land in Thailand, they are able to land only to Phuket or Samui, and they have to stay there for 14 days. I mean, quarantine themselves, right? But for now, after November 1st, no more quarantine, you guys. Congratulations. I hope to see you guys one day in Chiang Mai. If you guys are planning to come to Chiang Mai, Thailand, please let me know. And maybe I'm able to show you guys to some nice and cool places in Chiang Mai somewhere. Anyway, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for motivating me to make more videos to you guys. And I hope my channel will grow a little bit more. I would be really happy to see it grow slowly. I really do appreciate you guys' support, any kind of support. If you guys have any comment or any feedback about me, myself, or my channel in general, you guys can leave me a comment. Any positive and negative feedback, I will read anything. I will take it and I will use it to improve my content and my channel to be better. Yeah, so I guess that will be all for this video. I love you guys all. I really have to say like thank you very much. And oh, please don't forget, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell notification so you guys won't miss any videos I post. If you guys are planning to come to Chiang Mai, please let me know. Maybe I can show you guys a very nice place. Bye bye for now.